2026. The year that's been whispered in design circles with a mix of awe and apprehension. The headline screams it: AI will replace designers by 2026? It's a bold claim, one that ignites both excitement for the future of technology and a very real concern for the livelihoods of creative professionals. But as the digital landscape continues its relentless evolution, driven by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, we need to delve deeper than just the sensational headlines. What exactly is happening in the realm of AI design, and what does it truly mean for the future of creativity as we know it? We're no longer talking about rudimentary filters or basic automation. Today's AI design tools are capable of generating stunning logos in seconds, crafting intricate website layouts with a few prompts, and even bringing entire 3D worlds to life with seemingly minimal human input. Think about it. Sophisticated software that can learn design principles, mimic artistic styles, and iterate on concepts at a speed that no human designer can match. We're seeing platforms that can produce marketing materials, user interfaces, and even product packaging with remarkable efficiency. The sheer speed and potential output are, frankly, mind-blowing. This leads to the core of the fear, the argument for replacement. The logic is compelling, at least on the surface. AI offers unparalleled efficiency, drastically reducing the time and cost associated with design tasks. For businesses, the allure of on-demand creativity without the overhead of a full design team is undeniable. We're already seeing AI tools being integrated into various industries, automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows. It's not unreasonable to consider a future where entry-level design jobs, particularly those focused on more formulaic or repetitive tasks, could be significantly impacted. However, the narrative of complete replacement often overlooks the crucial nuances of the design process. While AI excels at generating outputs based on learned patterns, it currently struggles with truly understanding the why behind design. Can an algorithm grasp the subtle emotional cues of a client's brief? Can it infuse a design with genuine originality that goes beyond mimicking existing styles? The human touch in design extends far beyond technical skill. It involves strategic thinking, understanding cultural contexts, effective client communication, and the ability to translate abstract ideas into tangible visual solutions. These are areas where human intuition and empathy remain irreplaceable. This is where the more optimistic perspective emerges. The idea of AI as a powerful partner, a tool that empowers designers rather than erases them. Imagine AI handling the time-consuming and often tedious aspects of design, generating initial concepts, exploring countless variations, and automating repetitive tasks. This frees up human designers to focus on the higher-level strategic and creative work, understanding the client's vision, crafting compelling narratives, and ensuring the design effectively communicates its intended message. We're already seeing examples of this collaboration, with designers using AI to rapidly prototype ideas, explore unconventional aesthetics, and push the boundaries of what's visually possible. So, what does the future of the design profession actually look like? It's less likely a binary scenario of human versus machine and more likely a significant transformation of the design role itself. Future designers will likely need to become adept at working with AI, learning to effectively prompt and guide these powerful tools. Skills like critical thinking, adaptability, a strong understanding of design principles, and exceptional communication will become even more crucial. The ability to curate AI-generated content, refine its output with a human eye, and ensure it aligns with strategic goals will be highly valued. Ultimately, the question of whether AI will replace designers by 2026 is perhaps the wrong one to ask. The more pertinent question is, how will AI reshape the design landscape, and how can human designers adapt and thrive in this evolving environment? The answer, it seems, lies not in resisting the inevitable march of technology, but in embracing it as a powerful new tool, a creative partner that can unlock unprecedented possibilities. The future of design may not be about choosing between human or AI, but about the synergistic power of their collaboration. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.